Again, imagine how you'd feel. You thought you were safe inside your fort. You maybe stockpiled rocks and spears, but it's all just bouncing off the testudo. The men are chanting Sindex, Sindex to march in step. Again, this is a demonstration of the importance of discipline and training. The auxilia, again, on the wings, protecting the formation from any surprise attacks. This would allow the soldiers to approach and break into the fortification. That's no mean feat, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a round of applause.